Imagine coming out to your car in a crowded parking lot and seeing this fresh new damage. Right on the body line, right on the driver's side, super ugly, and you can't have this on a car this new and nice. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about how I go about repairing this type of damage. This damage was repaired in one day at the customer's house, in the customer's garage. Nothing was repainted, nothing was replaced. We just took all the factory paint and parts and transformed it back to the way that it was before. So this process is called Paintless Dent Repair. If you've never heard of it, you should definitely check it out. Watch some more of my videos. I try to do a good job of showing you a little bit about what we do and some of the results that you can expect to achieve. If you have any questions about this repair process, or you think your vehicle will be a good candidate, please reach out, give us a call, visit our website, send me an email. I'd be happy to take a look and help you find out if I can get you fixed up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.